Welcome to Marhsbaron channel. Today under Basics of Physics, I'll be covering the concept of force. So let's begin. What is force? A force is defined as push or pull. It results from an object's interaction with another object. In the example shown, a man is trying to push the table. On the contrary, a boy is trying to pull the slab towards himself. In both the scenarios, a force is acting on the objects. A force is defined as an interaction which, when opposed, can change the motion, bring it to rest, or accelerate the object. For example, when we apply brakes in a moving car, the speed decreases and the car slowly comes to a halt. Here, the force applied due to brakes acts opposite to the direction of motion. Some of the main forces depicted in the slide are as follows. The electromagnetic force is a force that acts between charged particles and is a combination of electrical and magnetic forces. The nuclear force acts at the subatomic level. It is a force that acts between protons and neutrons of an atom. People riding in a merry-go-round experiences a force that make a body follow a circular path. This force is centripetal force. It acts at right angles to the direction of motion. The force of friction is a force that opposes the motion of two solid surfaces in contact. It always acts opposite to the direction of motion. The gravitational force is a natural force by which objects with mass are brought towards one another, which includes planets, stars, and even galaxies. A force is a vector quantity, which means it has both magnitude and direction. In the example, two forces of 10 Newton and 20 Newton are acting in right direction. The resultant force acting on the train is 30 Newton, as the forces are acting in the same direction, so it gets added up. The Newton's first law of motion is also called law of inertia. It states every object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change its state by the action of an external force. There are two parts of this law. One predicts the behavior of stationary objects, the other predicts the behavior of moving objects. Behavior of objects can be described by saying that objects tend to keep on doing what they are doing unless it is not acted by an unbalanced force. For example, in the given picture, a train will continue to move unless it is not acted or stopped by brakes or using the force of friction. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel Marhsbaron for a new video every week. Leave your questions in the comment section and I will get back to you. Thanks.